Hey guys, it's Heather from Here She Grows, and I thought it would be a fine time to see if my musabaju or hardy banana survived. And honestly, I don't think this past winter was a fair test of it. Now, hardy banana is hardy in zones 5 to 10. I'm zone 5B, 6A. And we really had the mildest winter. In February, we had so many days where we were like in the 70-degree range. So I don't think this past winter was a fair test of musabaju. And I'll be really surprised if it doesn't come through with the layer of compost and the leaves that I put around it. And just to be safe, I took a pup off the mother plant and kept that under grow lights in the basement. So here's my safety net just in case. But I'm going to take the caging off from around this and see what we have. Well, I definitely have plenty of green coming up. The mother plant has new shoots coming out of the center. It's still very firm feeling. And like I said, I don't feel like it was a true test of exactly, what it's made of because we had such a mild winter. But I'm really happy that this made it through because I absolutely love the tropical feel that a hardy banana adds to my Midwest garden. So if anything, I probably should have pulled the mulch and the compost and the leaves away sooner because it's really, really wet. I just didn't get to it until now, but everything's going to be fine. This is going to dry out. I'm going to put down some organic fertilizer for it, let the sun warm it up quite a bit, and this should take off like crazy. And maybe I don't have to cover them anymore because it's, if I don't have to do the work, I'm not going to do it. So we'll see, but I really love how it turned out. It doesn't look like much now, but give it a few more months and these things grow crazy. They grow so, so fast, and they're absolutely awesome in a garden to add drama and just big leaves. I think big leaves are fantastic, and in a small space garden, go big. I think where people go wrong in a small space garden is doing too many small plants because I think small just gets boring and monotonous. Go big, big leaves, and now with this hardy banana and then the cannas that I put in, the elephant ears and all those fun things that are kind of unexpected in a Midwestern garden. I love the tropical feel that they add to my space. All that's left to do now is I just want to kind of disperse the compost and the leaves and the mulch that I put down around the rest of the bed, and then I'm going to go in and fertilize my hardy banana. Tropical plants tend to be very thirsty and very hungry, so to grow fast, they need the food. So I try to remember to feed it once a month. I use an organic fertilizer, drop that in, scratch it in, and let Mother Nature take over the rest of it. I do provide some supplemental watering though, especially when it gets really, really hot out. But I position this so that this is where our sump pump shoots out. So this area stays a little wetter. So, and I think that's why it tends to do really well, despite the fact that it's close to the house. And that area around the house, like beneath the eaves, tends to be very, very dry. But it thrives here because of the way I've positioned it. So I'm just going to move this stuff around and then fertilize it and call it a day. I'm going in with some plant tone and I'm sprinkling it all around the base of the plant. And then I'm just going to scratch it all in. And that's it. So I'm really excited to see this take off, and it should now. I should have removed the layers sooner because it was really, really wet. We just got a lot of rain. So it's all cleared up now. It should dry out really fast. It's got some food, and I expect it's going to take off. And now I've got that pup somewhere around here, that cutting that I took last year, and I can put that in my side yard garden, I think. So that's it. It's that simple. I like things that are easy because I don't want to spend too much time fussing, and I probably won't even protect this as much next winter. So that's it, and happy gardening. I hope you guys are able to get out into your garden, and thanks for watching, guys. And if you liked the video, please throw up a like. Thumbs up would be great, and if you really liked it, consider subscribing. It really helps me a lot, and I really appreciate it. So, all right, guys, happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next one.